Okay guys, so I'm gonna be going to meet some girls from Bumble BFF. I'm pretty nervous. I've never met anyone from there before besides my boyfriend, but that was Bumble, you know, like the regular Bumble. So I'm gonna show you guys my outfit, and it is freaking pouring rain downside, but this is my outfit. So my jacket is from Express, and the bodysuit, the black bodysuit I'm wearing, is from my website contemporaryglam.com. Super cute. It ties in the front, and the pants I'm wearing is also from my website contemporaryglam.com. Those are the Bad Gal high-waisted trousers. Love them, and that is my outfit. These cute heels from Fashion Nova. So that is my outfit of the day. We're gonna go have brunch, and I'm super excited because I don't have any friends, and this is so much fun for me. It's time to start making quality friendships, so that's what I'm doing. I hope you guys like my outfit, and you guys can definitely shop the site because she is available. Okay, you guys, I'm here at brunch. I'm so nervous. And this is where we will be eating today, at Paul Martin's. I've never been here, but I'm excited, so I will let you guys know how it goes. Again, this is Bumble BFF. Okay guys, so I just made it home from my Bumble BFF date, and I got 2 for 1. So meaning one of the girls I was meeting up from Bumble, she was also meeting up with one of her friends from Bumble, so that was pretty cool. We all got to meet and hang out. Brunch was a success, so I'm really grateful to Bumble for having that platform to where women and people can connect as friends, not only just dating, because let's be honest, in this day and age it is so hard to find a good girlfriend, especially being older. It's just not the same. I didn't want to film while we were all like getting to know each other because you know for privacy reasons, and just people, I didn't want to make anyone uncomfortable with filming, but hopefully if we link up again I will be filming that. Yeah guys, it was a lot of fun. If you guys struggle with meeting friends, definitely try Bumble. I know I talk about them a lot, and you guys probably are thinking this is sponsored, but it's not. I just really enjoy the Bumble platform. So for those of you who are new to Bumble, or if you don't know what it is, it's literally an app called Bumble, and on there it's just like swiping right, swiping left on Tinder, but you're swiping for finding girls who, or guys, if that's your thing, but finding quality friendships. You kind of just filter through them and see what's more so like yourself, or what kind of personality do you mesh with. You can message them as well and just chat on the platform or whatever, and then set up a meeting date to meet so you can build a friendship. So it was a success. Loved it. Stay tuned for the next one because I will be posting more. And if you guys liked my outfit, that was from my website contemporaryglam.com. go ahead and check us out. I would be so grateful if you guys did check us out and just see what we offer there. But yeah guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.